Hello everyone, I hope you're doing great today. My name is Remy and you're welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make the fluffiest and most delicious akara. The type that is round and nice, just like what you're seeing now, and not the one that looks like pancake that just sits flat like that. And trust me, you will be able to make your own simply by watching this video. Please subscribe if you aren't already a subscriber, and let's get cooking. To make akara, I have here 2 cups of beans which I have peeled, washed, and then I have soaked it for about 1 hour. And to that I will add a finger size ginger which I have cut into smaller pieces. I like to add this one because it makes me feel like I'm eating my akara with yaji. I love the flavor it brings to it. And this is scotch bonnet pepper, atarodo, and onions which I am going to add to the beans. I will blend the beans in 2 batches and make sure to add just a little water. If you look at this, you won't see water at the level of the beans. That's because I added just a little water. And here's what I have. This is blended till smooth. I will transfer that to a bowl and go on to blend the next batch. Please see the description box for ingredient list. And if you find this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up. Thank you. This is the second batch of beans, and because I want a rough blend pepper feel to it, I did not add the atarodo and onions from the outset, which is why I'm adding it now and just going to pulse the blender a few times to give it that rough blend, and that is what I have done here. If you like, you can chop the peppers and the onions and then add to your blended beans, or if you like, you can also blend everything smoothly. That doesn't affect anything. Now I'm just rinsing out the blender with a little water. Remember to go easy with water when it comes to making akara. I'm transferring the paste into a larger bowl to enable for easy mixing. Then I'll add some salt. If my mom was here, she would probably stop me from putting the stock cube in this akara, but she's not here, so let's do what we like. It's less than half a cube, so let's just whisk it in before she comes. So using a whisk, I'll just begin to mix this in one direction, incorporating hair into it until it's fluffy. If you don't have a whisk, you can use a spatula, but a whisk makes it faster, and that is what I am doing here. I will do this for some 8 to 10 minutes. And here's a test you can do to see if it's fluffy enough. Just drop a bit of the paste in water, and if it does not sink immediately into the water or dissolves in the water, then it means that it has some hair to it. And as you just saw, it did float on the water. So I'll just go on to mix for a little bit more before I go on to fry. You really don't have to do this test if you don't want to. You would feel that it is fluffy from the way it feels when you are mixing it, and from even the look you will know. So this is just me doing the test one more time and to show you. And this is the paste floating in water and is not sinking. So friends, it's time to start frying. I have put some oil in the pan, which is about 2 inches deep. And with this spoon, I'm going to be scooping bits of the paste into the oil gently. If you would like to make bigger sizes of akara, then you can use a bigger spoon. I like this cute petite sizes. And I also have to mention that you have to do deep frying for akara. You cannot do shallow frying if you don't want to end up with pancake looking akara. So it has to be deep frying. You need oil, and you can use a deep pan to do this frying. Alright, so gently I will continue to scoop small amounts of the paste into the oil gently, and I will also make sure not to overcrowd the pan so that the temperature of the oil does not drop. If the temperature drops, the akara will start to soak oil, and we don't want that. Alright, so please take note. If you have mixed the paste very well and it's fluffy, it should float on the oil, not sink at the bottom. So please take some time to do the mixing very well so that you can get good results. I'm just using a skewer to toss them around and flip the sides that have cooked to allow the other side to cook. Don't you just want to have a taste of this right now? These don't just look beautiful, they were absolutely delicious. Okay, away from gushing over the first batch of akara, let me ask you, have you subscribed to my channel? What is holding you back? Please subscribe now. Biko, thank you. So this is the second batch going into the oil. Remember not to overcrowd the pan so the temperature of the oil doesn't drop. If you're making a lot that you have to take to a commercial grinding machine, just make sure to tell them before they start grinding that you're making akara so they know the amount of water to use. Also, when you're making a lot, I advise that you mix and add salt in small batches so that the paste doesn't go flat before you're ready to fry other sets. Let me show you up close what we got from the first batch, soft akara. If you've been shoving off making akara for your loved ones, I want to encourage you with this recipe. Try it. It is not complex at all. It is really simple. You just need to follow a few steps and you will get good result. So let me know when you try this one. I want to know how it goes. Please come back and share with me your result. Before I go, I want to thank you guys so much for subscribing to my channel and for watching my videos. Thank you for your likes and comments. They are encouraging. Please leave a comment on this video. I would like to know what you think about this recipe. And I'll see you soon with another fantastic recipe. Bye.